How to pin chats on Instagram. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app by tapping on it. And once you launch the app, what you need to do next is go ahead and simply tap on the message icon at the top right corner. Once you land on the message page, all you need to do is tap on the chat that you want to pin. Go ahead and long press on the chat that you want to pin. So let's just long press on this, and here you'll get the pin option. All you have to do is tap on it, and now your chat has been pinned. You'll see the little pin icon right there. And if you want to remove the pin, you do the same. Long press on it and then click on unpin. So no matter who sends you the message, it will be shown right below this. The pinned chat will always be on top. To unpin, just do the same. And now you've unpinned the chat. So if you don't see this option, then you're going to have to go ahead and tap on profile, head over to settings, and then simply scroll down to report and help and report a problem. And now you're going to continue. Here you're just going to go ahead and type in briefly that you don't see the pin chat option, and Instagram will get back to you within few days with a possible solution. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.